Okay, welcome everyone. So this is very interesting session that we are going to understand, where I'm trying to showcase you that how the practical AI integration can be done with MCP, where so far we have developed all our local MCP server using Cursor. Now I want to explain you that MCP is not just for IDEs, it's a universal protocol. And there are very different features that are available with MCP, which makes it very dynamic. Okay, so now I have downloaded Cloud Desktop, right? You can also download it. And this is the ID of Cloud Desktop. And the way we have configured the MCP server to do manager with this cursor IDE, where it has three tools: adding, listing, and marking the to do, where it writes all the to dos related information in this static file, JSON file. I want to show you that the same MCP server can be configured with this AI agent cloud. And how you can configure, right? You can go into file, settings, and go to developer, and here I have already configured it. You can see to do manager is configured, it is running, it is going to run on Python, and it is going to pick up the MCP server from this specific location, right, where we have created our own to do manager. You can see the path of this respective file is same. This was our MCP server which is running on stdio, right? Now after configuring this, right, if we go into new chat, you can see this is a feature of cloud, where it will show you the configured tools over here. It will show you that okay, add to do, list to do's, mark to do's are the three tools which are available with MCP server, right? Now we have created MCP server using Cursor. We have configured this respective MCP server in Cursor AI. Now we are using this cloud desktop where we already configured this respective MCP server. Now Cursor has mcp.json, but cloud has cloud desktop config.json, where we can configure the MCP server and the MCP servers to do manager command and ask, right? It is almost similar, right? The same way we have done in MCP JSON, right? So this is how the configuration is done in cloud desktop. Now let's see, if I add a new to do in cloud, add a new to do, practice AI daily. Okay, so it will try to read the MCP server configured in this environment, and it will create the request, practice AI daily, right? It will ask you to run the tool. Let's allow. Okay, it is showing some additional information that you have now 12 tasks in total. Let's see in this JSON file. You can see practice AI daily is added over here, right? Now let's ask cursor AI, list my to do's. So it will also run this run list to do's, right? It will read the data and it will show you. Let's ask another question to this cloud AI, which is the first to do added in my list. I will ask the same question to check the potential of these AI tools, right? It is asking to run something, list to do's, yes, right? And it identified that okay, the first to do in your list is wake up at 6 a.m. Now let's ask the same question to Cursor AI, whether it is running the tool or not, or it is getting the information in the internal memory that it holds. Here it didn't ran the tool, right, but it provided the right information, right. Let's ask another question, which is the to do associated with, let's say, eating breakfast, associated on breakfast. So now I want to check whether any tool is running. No, it is also holding the memory, and it is saying the information eat heavy breakfast. Yes, it's correct. Eat heavy breakfast is related to this. So this way we have understood that okay, we can integrate the same MCP server in multiple client IDEs. So MCP is a universal MCP, and it is cross-platform AI integration. We have a same server with multiple clients, Cursor AI and Cloud. In this case, it is a protocol standardization. We need to just write once and use everywhere. And it provides the real world workflow benefits as well. It provides the unified data access that we have already seen through todos.json. It provides the consistent experience that we have already seen by running the prompts in both the AI assistants. And MCP protocol has this feature of universality, where it's client agnostic, right. The protocol ensures compatibility across the platforms. We have seen both the platforms, and it is server independent. It does the resource sharing as well as, and here we have also seen that it provides multiple connections as well. So we have established two connections, one from Cursor, second from Cloud, right. So the connections from different clients can be established, right. So this way it is not related to any IDE, it's a universal protocol. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.